Hey guys, looking for this secret 100% free AI video generator? Here's your secret weapon. So, if you want to generate a video, right, you can go ahead to ChatGPT and click the two lines at the top left and then click Explore ChatGPT, right? And then what you're gonna do, go ahead and search right here, search bar at the top right, and just look for video GPT by Vid. Okay, and this AI allows you to create videos powered by video GPT, generate and edit videos with text prompts, type description, set your style, and create full videos with subtitles and voiceovers. So you can just go ahead and click start chat, and you're gonna be able to create your own video using Vid. Okay, I believe I created a video, right? So I don't know, but you can go ahead and just create just type sample video about health, 30 seconds. Okay, a male voice. Of course, instead of sample video, you can type in your script, right? So, healthy lifestyle. Okay, lifestyle. Okay, now, of course, now they're gonna ask you for more details, like who's your target audience? Are you aiming for inspirational tone? Just adults. The details don't matter. Just create it. I'm arguing with AI. Okay, and as you can see right here, they wrote their example script, right? And just type right here continue, and then you gotta wait for a few moments, and of course you can access your Vid for free. Okay, and you can edit it from their website. Okay, and as you can see right here, they created the video, right? You can just go ahead and click the highlighted blue word, right? And now they're creating and showing your video. Now, of course, you're gonna just wait for a few moments until they add their Midas touch. So afterwards, you're gonna be able to access your video. As for text to speech, you can just go ahead to 11 Labs website, and they create the best voice, the best text to speech website. They can generate an audio at the spot. So as you can see right here, you can select the person who make the voice, right? And select the accent. If you want a Croatian, Arabic, Turkish, whatever it might be, right? And as you can see right here, there's an example, right, already set and wrote down for you. And you can just go ahead and hit play, right? And hear the full audio.
The 11 Labs voice generator can deliver high-quality, human-like speech in 32 languages.
So if you want to add your own text instead and make it or turn it into a speech, you could just go ahead and type in your text and make sure that it doesn't go above 500 words. So now we're gonna go back to Vid, right, and see the result, right? And you're gonna see the video now, and you can hit play to see it.
Your health is your greatest wealth.
So yeah, there you have it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.